G'day video watchers, I'm Trev, often known as the Bush and Beach Barista, and I'm going to show you lots of different ways of making coffee out in beautiful places in paradise. I'll be starting with this beautiful old Atomic, my fave old machine. It started me making beautiful coffees, this machine. It's so old, it must be about 40-year-old now, but they still are classic. Excuse me, I'll use that, and here we are at the most beautiful dog beach on Noosa River, and just look at that, it's gorgeous. Not that many dogs here today because it's a bit of a quiet one through the week, but this is paradise. It's also doggy paradise. So I will show you how to use this gorgeous old machine. Now, first up, we'll start with our coffee. I just happen to have some coffee ground here. Awesome, come on. And put that in there. Lovely. Tamp it down. Now, I just ground this coffee this morning before I came because, as you probably know, that you've really got to have freshly ground coffee to make beautiful coffee. And this is just freshly ground, and it's medium roasted Arabica. Usually like mine from single origin farms in Hawaii, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Brazil, Peru, all those lovely tropical countries where they grow really good stuff, especially up in the high altitudes. So that's my coffee there, ready to go. I'll tamp it down nicely. So I'll place that in a little receptacle there. Go there. And next step is our water. And undo this little bung at the back. Now, once again, you've got to have really beautiful filtered water, because if your water's not nice and clean and tastes good, your coffee will taste like crap, sure. So, put a little bit of water in the jug, about how much we want. I usually bring it about half full, about there, that'll be nice. Pour that in there. So, will someone tell that dog to be quiet? Right, that done. Put the jug back on there to see where it comes out. Go around so we can do it. Put the lid on the water because it'd be horrible if water spilled everywhere. Sometimes I'll use my hand grinder when I come out, but to do this size coffee, it takes quite a while doing this grinding. So I thought, rather than me stand here looking like a fool for a long time, I'd have it pre-ground. So that's why I've already got pre-ground. Okay, so the next thing we do, we put a bit of heat into this, and the big thing is when you're working out in beautiful places in paradise like this, is to have a heat source, a beautiful little backpacker style stove like this one. This is a classic. This is a three burner, so it'll heat my water up nice and quick, and it's so small and easy to take around. So all I can do is just flick it there and light her up. There we go. Coffee machine back on it now. Just like this. Okay. And now it's just a matter of waiting for that to boil. So while we're waiting, we'll just have a little look around here. Jill, can you pan around and show them how gorgeous it is? The dog on the beach. Up there we got Noosa Heads, we've got the river mouth there, which is just gorgeous. We go over here and that's all the North Shore over the side, which you really can't get to unless you go around on a ferry. And down that end, it goes around to into the river at another point. And you can see up there that volcanic looking mountain, that is Mount Karoi, and that's near where we live, just up there over there, that mountain. So anyway, well that's it. So I'll let you just go and have a talk, and I'll go and I'll be back. We're back, and the coffee's coming through really nice now. You can see that. You pan on that, Jill, you can see that's beautiful dark espresso coffee there, and that probably about a good 3 cups in that. Okay, so we're about to be doing our milk. There we go. We just like that. Push that in there. Turn her on and look at that. Yeah. When you're doing the milk, you would just want the milk to go round and round and round in a vortex. Look at that, Jill, if you can be in close. See that milk swirling around in there? Swirling out, and that's helping it stretch. And you'll put a little bit of air in it, but not too much. It's a noisy, isn't it? Okay, now we've got our coffee in our cup, so now we'll just add the milk and from there. Yeah, not the frothiest coffee I've ever made, but should still taste nice anyway. But there you go. Have a cup of coffee, Jill. There you are. I'll put it down for a minute to end your videoing. Well, thank you, folks. And, I'll taste this. Oh, there's not enough M's in yum to say how good that is. Anyway, so don't forget, I'll be making more of these videos out and about in beautiful paradise like this, making great coffee. I've got some different coffees to make. So just either subscribe to me or follow me, and we'll make nice coffees together. Thank you very much. Bye.